I'm Susan. Today I'm on week 38 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something found in the kitchen. And I've got this food and drink. These are beignets and milk. A color that reminds you of summer. I've got this background that has blues and greens, which makes me think of summer. A book page. I've got my book page. Something with holes. I've got this. A musical instrument. I've got this. And I've got this guy playing the fiddle or violin, depending on what part of the world you're from. And the bonus is any kind of a tag. So I hope you'll enjoy this. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay. Hopefully my kitty cat's okay for a little bit. Let's see what we're going to do with this. I'm going to use my book page to cover up this. And I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing good. I certainly cannot complain. Let's see. And I think I want to put that up there like it's on a limb. And I've got him playing there. I think I got a drum there. And I got him dancing on the drum. And maybe just cut this off a little bit and put it behind the tag. The tag I did not ink. I did ink the other stuff. Of course, this probably don't need to ink. Okay. And I like that. So let's get to putting some of this stuff down. Now, I'm doing pretty good. I certainly cannot complain. We have been getting rain because of Francine, and we've really needed the rain. So I'm not complaining, and thankfully the weather wasn't too bad here. It is Thursday. It just rained and rained and rained, and we finally got a good soaker that we've been needing, and it's rained a good bit this afternoon, so we've needed that. A good thing because everything's so dry and the grass has done died. So now let's get this glue. And hopefully it works. I've been having issues with it. Let's see, my husband and I, we finished the watching the unit. It was really good. And let's see. I finished all of the Vampire Knitting Club, although they've got a spin-off for Cornwall. So I read it. It's only one book out and another one coming out, I think, on the 20th. So I'll be caught up with that. And let's see. I'm just going to use the back of this and glue it over. Hopefully it'll hold it down. I'm almost finished with the first fall journal that I'm doing. I worked on my cover yesterday. I got the cover done. I just need to get the signature sewed in. So hopefully this week I will have a flip through for you. There's so many I want to do. This one is a 3 signature journal. So it's taken me a little bit longer than the one signatures, and the next two I do will be single signatures. Okay. There'll be file journals as well, the next two, after this one. Some beautiful, beautiful papers. Okay. Have him dancing along there. Didn't quite get that where I should have. It's cute. I like it. Okay, see what I can do to embellish. I know. Let's see. Maybe a butterfly. That'll help cover those letters. Think about what else is going on. It's hard to come up with. Not a whole lot's been going on. Let me see here. I add that just because I want to embellish my page a little bit more. This is really a simple one. Of course, most of mine are simple. Let's see here. Like that. Just something, add a little something to it. Get that off. There we go. Let's see here. We've got this, and it says Poetry of Nature. So, and got these little berries. I think those little birds up there would enjoy those berries. If I can get the tag off. There we go. And I'm gonna say, yeah, I'm gonna add that. This I just cut off the back of one of our church bulletins. I think we had a fifth Sunday singing. We used to do that, but after COVID, we just hadn't had so many people. We're a small church anyway. right. Let's make sure we have everything. We have got something found in the kitchen, so food and drink. So that's beignets and milk. A color that reminds you of summer. I've got the blues and the greens. Book page, I've got that. And this is a book page too from a children's book. Something with holes, I've got this. Musical instrument, I've got the drum and the fiddle. And the bonus is any kind of tag, and I've got that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW38 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.